your golden words, because you're a software developer again. So this is like the suggestion to developers to promote not only stuff about AI in businesses. What about education? Let's spark it with new ideas like this one, because it's a super brilliant and super useful and impactful.
Yeah,
Let's keep this working on
I really think when
course.
ChatGPT just come out, right, it will revolutionize education industry. Yeah,
In
not
other
other
words,
industry, but education. Because the way teachers teaching student, the mindset is changed, is no longer the same. She say, why do I need to catch them? Why do I need to prevent ChatGPT? How about I make the exam essay question harder? I teach the student how to use ChatGPT to generate the essay and how they criticize the essay that the ChatGPT writes, because ChatGPT writes, everyone will write the same thing. If you don't have a good prompt, all the essay
yeah,
will look the same. And if you don't have grammatical skill, you don't have your English basic skill, you cannot criticize the
yes.
essay that the ChatGPT write correctly. So that's why the teacher was like, we should embrace, like when this AI thing comes out, it's unavoidable. So why not just embrace it and change the way we teach students?